we will install Jean.build. So you first need to go to the URL, and then you will see you have a small drop box with different executables to download. So for Mac, you need to download this one and to drag it on your application folders. And for Windows, you need to download this one. So you save it locally. Once download, you launch the executable. So you click more info. You click run away. So why is it called a non-publisher? It's because Jean.build is still they are still in their early development, but I can confirm you that the URL is the good one. Then you click next. You click next. You click next. And you click finish. And Jean is launching.